The United States' decision to temporarily suspend sanctions on Iranian oil shipments has triggered mixed reactions from experts, with implications for global crude markets and India's energy security. Foreign affairs expert Rabinder Sachdev said the move is driven by cold market logic aimed at easing supply pressures. Speaking to ANI on Saturday, Sachdev explained that around 150 million barrels of Iranian crude are currently stored in ships at sea, either en route to destinations or functioning as floating storage. Bringing this oil into the market, he noted, could help soften global crude prices. He added that a similar 30-day waiver has also been extended to Russian oil shipments at sea, including those transported by shadow fleets. Sanctions relief may not ease India's energy concerns. Despite the temporary relief, defense expert Dhruv Katoj cautioned that India could still face immediate challenges. He said that while the US has allowed Iranian crude shipments, Iran has indicated it has no floating tankers beyond those already at sea. According to Katoj, India currently has adequate reserves, but gas shortages may become severe in the near future before stabilizing over time. Strait of Hormuz dynamics and regional tensions. Middle East expert Wael Awad stated that Iran's restrictions in the Strait of Hormuz are targeted only at countries supporting the US and Israel. He claimed India-bound tankers are being allowed passage, presenting an opportunity for New Delhi to strengthen ties with Tehran amid ongoing regional uncertainty. Meanwhile, President Donald Trump has warned Iran of severe consequences, including targeting its power infrastructure if it fails to reopen the strait within 48 hours. The US Central Command reiterated its focus on curbing Iran's military capabilities. Adding to tensions, Iranian Major General Sayyid Majid Musavi asserted that Iran now dominates the skies over contested regions and warned of intensified future attacks.